Hi everyone. Today I will tell you how you can use Binance mobile application. If you like my videos, please just like my video and comment and subscribe to my channel. Welcome again. You can see my Binance application. We just click that and we open that, and the account site. We will click here and we will enter our email address and password, and then our account will open to this iPhone. Okay, I will tell the Binance app step by step. Firstly, I will start from home, the first section. Just I click that home, and home is opened. Up of just wait. Okay, here is we can see news, announcement, and something like that about Binance announcement, Binance anniversary, and giveaway and launches, something like that. Here is announcement, and then we can see Bitcoin 24-hour volume tab. We can see this. BNB, ERD, and link the highest volume for a one day, for today, for last day volume. We can see the volume about Bitcoin. For example, for BNB it is 8,000, nearly 9,000 Bitcoin, and then we can see gainers and losers. The most highest price about changing ERD for today, and the losers we can see that Rain, Storm, XEM, like this. And sorry for my bad pronunciation, for my bad English, but I am trying my best. I hope you understand my video, my speaking, and Binance app. Okay, we looked at the Binance app, and then we can go to market. The most important site of this app is market, of course, exchange. Okay, just I click. We can see the pair BNB, BTC, ALTS, and USD. First of all, BNB is a Binance coin, and it is very precious coin, I think. And then we can see the Bitcoin. For example, you want to buy a BNB, BTC, Link BTC, Ripple BTC. It is pair about BTC, Bitcoin. It is a green day for today. If, for example, we click the Ethereum, you can see the right and top corner just as a star and plus. If we click this icon, it will go to favorites section. Okay, I just click it to favorite section. We can see the favorites from here. Yes, this is favorites. For example, just I click it engine coin. Okay, here is engine coin charts. We can change here for one day, 1 hour, 1 week, about changing what you want to see to changing. I just click the 1 hour. Okay, and then buy and sell section. We can set an alert for this. For example, now price is 924. I just click the, for example, 1,000, and I click the alert. Okay, come back. Okay, buy and sell. Now I will tell the buy and sell. For example, I have some engine coin now. I just click the sell. Here open orders. For example, I have some engine coin, but now it's seen available engine coin is 0 engine. Why? Because I put the order, sell order, and we can see our sell order at open order section. I just click the open order section. For example, I just cancel this one, okay, and come back. Now available is 338 engine coins. Now I have, for example, there is three options about selling and buying. One of them is market order, the other is limit order, and the last one is stop limit. I will tell all these. Market mean, for example, I want to sell my engine, all of them. I just click the percent 100. If I click the percent half, you can see, and I just click again 100. If I say sell all of them, it Binance app, Binance website, Binance exchange will sell my engine coin to buyers who give the highest price. For example, 919. I will sell my engine to this price 919 to the market, and directly at that time you can sell your all coin. If I choose the limit order, for example, this price is not enough for me, I want to sell it more higher price. Okay, what I will just I just 1200, okay, all of them. If I click for example if I click the sell, it will go to order, and the price comes to 1205.50. I will sell my engine to buyers, and I will get Bitcoin. Now I just click the open orders. I click open orders. You can see the first one is my order. I just gave it. Okay, come back. And the last section is stop limit. It is very important because, for example, 919. This price is not enough for me. But I was sleeping at night. I'm sleeping at night, and something happened about engine coin. It's very bad, very bad, and this price goes to decrease, goes to deep, extremely. For example, now it is 900 and it goes to 100, 200, and it is very big loss for me. Stop limit, I mean stop loss is this. For example, I just 700 and 600, okay, and for example okay, we have 500 engine coin. I mean, now what I will write? I will write 700. I will write 600. Okay. So if the last price drops to or below 700 Satoshi BTC, in order to sell 500 engine at price 600 BTG will be placed. So it means that I lost some Bitcoin, but I don't want to lose a big amount. I want to stop my losing, stop loss. So okay, if I choose the place order, it will okay. And this is I told you limit order, market order, and stop limit. And the right up corner we can see the order history. Just click that. Okay, for example, I choose the last 3 months complete, and now I can see what I bought, what I sold. We can see that. For example, I just want to see engine coin, just complete, and then just I see the engine coins in this section, and then what we'll do, okay, we can just click the left up corner. It is a chart. Okay, chart is open again. This is market trace. It's buying. Okay, what amount? It's 12, just buy from 922. It is a market history. So okay, and then again it's someone bought and someone bought, and you can see if a lot of people buy engine coin, the price will go up, will go hike. Okay, come back. Now I will see the funds. It's our assets. This is my assets. I just clicked this for example estimated value BTC. Near you can see an I. If I click that, my funds will unshown. So it is no problem. I click that. If I choose to show all coins, we can see here. If I choose this one, it hide a small balance. For example, engine coin, I have 2,707 engine coin. I can deposit and withdraw. For example, I want to withdraw my engine coin to the other account. I just click the withdrawal, and now I will click all. For example, 2,000 engine coin. Fee is 17 engine coin. Will go to fee, and I will write the address here, and engine coin go to this address if I click the withdrawal. And if I want to deposit engine coin to my Binance account, for example, I have a Bittrex account, I have some engine coin, and I want to take those engine coin to my Binance account, I will just click the deposit, and you can see your engine coin address. Just copy this address and paste the Bittrex account and send all engine coin to this address. Okay, this is deposit and withdrawal, and then we can see what history, how much, and this is deposit and withdrawal history. Okay, and then account, I just click the account. Here is what was important. For example, this is very important, using BNB to pay for fees 25 account discount. It is very important if you choose the BNB to pay your trade fee to Binance app, Binance exchange. You should use this BNB. It is discount for this fee.